Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into your Xiaomi Redmi A1. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, scroll down, find this button in this block, hold to drag and to add title, and then press and hold like this and drag to top to add. And for saving, click back. Now when we add this button here, tap it, and before start recording we got record audio option. We got here switcher, it's turn off or turn on record audio option, and if we tap on record audio we can change, for example, device audio, microphone, or device audio and microphone. So choose your option what you want and activate your record audio. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.